Ni why? Ba't ako? Why? Explain. Sige, sige Garot. Ako na maghanap ng what? I'ma find you a safe place to camp. Not like you. You say play safe and then you died twice. Ah. What the hell?
Alam mo ba, pre?
Yo. Up.
Kagaling na ako ngayon. Maglalak-in na ako, magiging camper na tayo, pre.
Ako nga mag-leader para alam, mas marami akong alam na safe place kesa sa'yo. Ako leader. You suck. You suck at least.
Farm.
I know farm is too dangerous. But I like farm, so yeah, even though it's too dangerous, I still like it. But we're not gonna go there. We're gonna go somewhere safe. Unlike you. You saw 2 enemy and you charged in like an idiot. Yeah, that's you. That's you. Nah, that's you. You saw 2 enemy and you charged in like an idiot.
Because I want to be, because I'm the best.
It's you. You suck. You died twice. You. I'ma carry you again.
More like 3 times.
Yup, 3 times. I revived you twice and you died the last time. Because you suck. I'ma show you where is the safest place in this game. Where only bots.
My ass.
Yup, where only bots is here and no other one. I'll show you this.
Dito tayo. Cross side.
You're a dumb bitch. I said
The
safe
book.
place. Safe place. You don't know what a safe place is. Right now, the safest place is somewhere around here or here. But since you want to go to crash site, we gonna go there. I'm just kidding. Let's go somewhere far from the players.
Kill house. Good place, kill house.
Yup, there's someone with us. Never mind, that's you. That's you that I saw. I knew it.
Meron isa.
Just one. We can deal with that.
Meron isa.
It's just one person. You.
Barilin ko na. Bisaw. Hindi, babarilin ko na.
Yeah, I know. Patay na na.
Bumaba na siya. Bumaba na siya. Patay na natin.
No, it's on me. On me. In this house. Never mind, it's not in this house.
May striker dito,
I mark the sniper expert. Na-mark ko yung sniper expert. Violet yun. Oh, I see it. Bot. It's a fucking bot.
Hindi, may pera.
No, it's a bot. Same level as a bot. Saan yung kwan? Saan yung striker? Minark mo? Did you mark it?
Nah.
Good dog.
Pero andyan. Ayan, andyan. Nakita mo?
Kuha ko na.
Ay, hindi ko pa pala na-skillan yun.
Bruh. Yeah, why? Wala na, may skin na. Nakuha ko na eh. You idiot. Naka-Santi skin. GKS. GKS. What? GKS. No. What?
Literal lock into, men. Naka-ano ka ba? Naka-tawag dito, naka-record ka.
Yup. Okay, I see you.
Hop.
Oh hell nah, he run. Bro, I miss. Wait, give me the loot. Bro, I got nothing.
Oh, shot.
What? May bala ka shotgun?
Long barrel ka ako. Karami. Sobrang dami.
Mark the long barrel. Anong color? Green?
White.
May long range. Nice.
White.
Meron na akong white. I need higher rank long barrel. This is how you play safe.
Bro, naglalag talaga, man.
See? This is how you play safe. Kahit naglalag ka, we can still win. Because there's no enemy here. This is how you play safe. This is how you're supposed to play safe. I think. I'm not even sure myself.
You think?
There's no enemy, it's safe.
We just encountered 3 bots.
Yup. They are bot though. They are just bots.
Still.
It's a bot. Are you gonna lose to a
Never
bot?
mind.
Are you gonna lose to a bot?
Yes.
Bruh,
Yes.
then you're not supposed to play this game. There's other games out there. And you still lost to a
Lol.
bot on this game, and you're supposed to be a grandmaster. You suck. Yep, that's right. You suck.
May chopper dito. Kaya dito tayo Sakura na tayo.
I don't care.
Huwag ka na magsasakyan, huwag tayo magkukotse.
Why?
Dahil literal na play safe tayo. We playing safe, not playing...
Where am I going, man? Where am I going? The fuck? Oh, by station. Okay. Mark! Tanginang Mark to.
I already market,
Huh?
nigga.
Para nga makita ko yung blue lines. So I could see the blue lines, you idiot.
Blue lines o golden line?
Blue. Because I'm blue in the numbers. Look at
Numbers
my
or colors?
numbers. Number 2 is color blue. Number 4 is color violet. Number 3 is, I think, green, right?
Bruh.
Number 3 is green. Yep, I know it. And number 1 is yellow. This is how we play. It's not like you idiot, who rush the enemies. Yeah. Yo, should I
Because I'm the best, that's why I rush.
should I make a song about how you're dumb? I can write the song,
Hell
but
no.
but I can't sing it because my voice sucks. So yeah. I can still write
Yeah,
it.
because you're weak.
Nah, it's
Bro,
just,
fire sale, nakabili na ako.
why did you not wait? It's only never mind. Kinetic armor is better than
Arctic.
self revive, I think.
Ah,
Yo, may nakuha ka maganda. No, you got nothing good.
puro sniper.
Akala ko mag-sniper ka, edi
Let's swim.
isn't that a good thing?
Kanina pa ako naka-sniper.
So, are you looking for something else?
We're going here. We're going there.
Nah, we gonna die there again. See, there's two heli there.
Na,
See?
pag nawala na yun, goods na.
Nah, it's not good. They're still there. We're not gonna go there until they all use it up. We're gonna go to other one.
May nakajakal, men.
Over there. We're gonna go over there with a car.
Oh.
That's a bot on my back. Uy, nag-slide ang tindi ng bot ah. How is this bot so good? Nag-slide ka pa, ang tindi mo na.
Anong baril niya?
Wala akong magandang baril, man. I have this rat guy. Ay, saan kaya ako makakahanap ng AK-117? It's better than AK-47.
Ano, wala nang tao. Wala nang tao.
Nagamit na yan.
At least meron pa.
Ay,
Pag meron pa, man.
pag iisa lang, edi wala din, useless din kasi wala ako. So,
Okay lang yun.
no. Fennec ko. Gusto mo ng Fennec?
May bago doon, may bago.
Duno sa minarkahan ko. The one I mark.
Wait lang, may tao.
I knew it. The one I mark, man. Never mind, zone is closing in. We need let's see.
May tao.
Lunch base. I'm here on the lunch base. How are you playing safe when you're raiding that thing again? Is that how you're supposed to play safe? Huh? Yo.
Wait, I'm killing people.
What the hell? That's how you're supposed to play safe, man. Is that how? Man. This guy is joking. This guy is joking about playing safe. See, I got another bot here. Never mind, there's a player outside of me.
Wait lang. I'm locked in, nigga. I'm really locked in this time.
What? The guy left? What? Never mind. It's just that I'm blind. I am blind. I didn't see that guy. I really am blind. Oh yeah. I'm blind. I can't see the enemy.
I'm dead.
That's how you supposed
Oh
to
yeah,
do.
remember, I'm the medic.
Bruh.
Bumili ka ng stealth chopper mo.
Hindi, wala akong pambili eh.
You broke.
Yup. I'm still better than you.
Sino nag-smoke dito?
Kalaban. Never mind, may kalaban ako. There's a lot of them.
Op.
You died, you idiot. Now what?
Smoke,
Am I
kompre. Smoke.
No.
Wag. Tatlo sila.
I know.
Tatlo.
That's why I'm running, you idiot. Why do you think I'm not running?
Bro, why did I rush? Why did I rush
I
them?
don't know
Why did
what
I
are you
rush?
thinking. I didn't run because I thought you could win that, man. Now what? Am I gonna hide again? Why is my
Hindi,
team
kaya yun.
like this?
Kunin mo.
Anong kaya yun? Anong kaya yun?
Kunin mo.
Nah, I'm scared. I'm scared.
Nasa zone na oh. Kunin mo. Bro. Habang naglalaban sila doon, kunin mo.
You suck. How many times?
Wag mo gagamitin ni skill mo.
Time.
Pag ginamit.
Time.
130, 120.
A lot of time. There's still a lot of time, you idiot.
Oh, run.
I'm not dumb like you idiot.
Oh, tago sa bato ta.
Nah, I'm a run.
Tago sa bato.
I'm a...
Nagalaban sa likod mo, pre.
I know. I'm looking for this is what you call distraction. I'm looking for something. I'm looking for a car. I can't outrun this stupid zone. But I think I'm gonna run around. Yup. So what do you get about killing a lot of people but still died? This is why you need to play safe. It's not like skills, it's brain, not skills.
May kalaban ka dyan, men. May kalaban ka.
I don't care. I'm looking for a better gun than my
May
gun.
kalaban ako, nakapistol ako. Oh, never mind.
You died again, you idiot.
Hindi, wag. Wala na oras.
Oh
Okay. Bang. Oh, tago. Hide.
Sheesh.
Bang.
Bang. Are you dumb? What is that? Bang. What the hell? Bro, shooting something. Oh,
Bang.
Why
Okay,
is
lapag
my
mo yung ano mo. Okay.
smoke grenade?
Hindi yan, yung skill mo, skill. Oh, ayun na nandyan oh.
What the fuck? Why is my gun not equipped, man? Why am I equipping that? Hindi ko naitapon yung smoke grenade. Why? I didn't throw it, bruh. I messed up big time.
Change leader. Tapos mag-blackout na lang tayo para mas sigurado tayo mananalo, pre.
Why are you so dumb, you idiot? Why? Why did you rush those 3 enemies and then you died?
I don't know.
Why though?
I think I am the best.
You suck.
Change.
You're not the best in this game. There's always someone better.
I know.
Even the top player can lose to a bot
I'm on.
if they're lagging enough.
I'm a mid. Mag-ano ka? Mag-medic ka na lang o ano, aso.
Yup,
Mag-ravager ako.
Ako medic. You suck at being medic.
Wow.
Yup, it's because I get I'm just scared of the blue damage. The zone. Yep.
Player.
Yo.
Man, 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 siguradong mananalo tayo dito dahil puro bot lahat na nakikita ko.
Yo. I'm still not loaded in the game. May player na ako nakita.
Wala pa.
Never mind, terror bot.
Puro bot pa lang nakakita ko. Pero maghanap ng player.
Welcome to Blackout, soldier. The match is about to start.
Yup, there's no real player here. They're all bot.
Puro bot.
Now, are you
Naka-all
happy
mic pa ako,
winning
walang
in the
nagsasalita.
bots? Huh?
Yes.
Bruh, that's why you suck. That's why you suck.
May player rin. Narinig ko yung salita.
Even though there's is a player, there's still yup, konti pa rin yung player dito. Ibig sabihin, panay sila bot.
Dito tayo.
Tapos yung player na yon hindi pa magaling, ibig sabihin mananalo tayo. I don't want that kind of game. I need the game where I can improve my skills, not like this. Even though I'm lagging or FPS dropping, my FPS is dropping sometimes, but hey, I'm adapting to it.
My cellphone is not.
I'm adapting for at least a bit, adapting for it to it a bit, just a bit, not a lot, but still. Oh yeah, hologram.
Kalaban mo ang center.
Nasa yun na nga yung malaking bahay, tapos wala ka pang mahanap na sniper dyan. Why though?
Wala. Sa CRA. CRA, puro baril naman. Puro baril yung CR. Something is wrong with this.
So, hindi ko na makikita yung kalaban.
We must report.
Downside ng
Report natin dahil mayroong
ano?
Jing.
Oh,
Ano mo to?
ha?
Ano mo yun?
Wait lang naman ah. Kilovolt gusto mo?
Hell no. What to wait?
I don't know.
I need sniper.
We play safe for real this time. Okay? Okay? Huh? You hear me? For real. Not the one you're doing. Like rushing to the enemies. It's like real this time. For real.
Okay.
Never mind. I know
I
you're
can
not
do that.
agreeing with me. Ah, we're gonna lose again. I think.
No, I can play safe.
Why do you trusting me in this role? You always leaving me, and
Safe,
then
play safe.
yeah, we need to play safe.
With that, I am playing safe. With that, I'm playing safe.
Nah, I know you're not.
What already killed 2 player is play safe.
Nah, those are bots.
I still need
EMP.
sniper.
Do you want EMP?
Hell na. Pero dito, firing range. So, sobrang layo.
Firing range because there's enemy there, right? Right.
Ito na lang pala. Then meron tayong ano.
Doon sa
Nakuha
ako.
mo AK-117.
Huh?
Nakuha mo AK-117.
Yep. I have it. Why?
Fire sale. Start in 1 minute.
Sakay.
Yo. Let's
Pero
go.
mabilis tayo.
I need a loadout on this shit. What the? Bro, threw me. Never mind.
Extended mag dito. Extended mag. Ano?
One down.
Yo, Tim, ready for upgrade.
Oh, nice. Precise shot.
O striker. Atin na pala itong striker.
Why? Okay. Ano garot
Wala
ko?
akong sniper eh. Pag may sniper ka.
BY-15, man. What do I do with this? I don't know how to use
Bumili
it.
ako ng fire shield. Pag nakahanap ka ng sniper, sige. Bibigyan ka na.
EM2. EM2 yung kanina eh. Yo. Stand still for a second. Yo. Yo, why? What? You're not dying,
Okay.
bro.
Ano yun?
And I'm dying to that, bro. This sucks.
Let's go.
That sucks. Well, that didn't go as planned.
Hell no.
Sheesh. This is how we supposed to play. Yep, since there's no player, we can get that. Yeah, that's right. That's right. That's right. I agree on you these ones. Because there is no player. You what? Why so far?
May kalaban, baliw, may kalaban.
Okay.
Kaya ako umayos.
I see. Dang, I'm lagging. Bro, I'm dead. The fuck is that lag? Run. I hold them off. I'll hold them off, man. Just run. Never mind. Revive yourself. Pasta. Bruh.
How did you die?
I died because of lag. Man. The lag is real. Where am I going? I don't know.
Wala akong laro rin. Wala akong laro. Bukas na lang, bukas.
Why?
Bukas ang gabi. Gabi.
Tutulog ka na?
Wala akong laro ngayon eh. Wala talaga akong laro. Kanina umaga meron. Bukas na lang.
Ngayon na. Na-boring ka na? Because of skill issue?
Yes.
Bruh, you suck. You just suck, man. Because of me.
At kailangan kausapin si Baby Loves ko.
Bruh. Okay. Watch what is short? YouTube short. FB Reels now.
Okay.
I'ma post this right now. Bye bye.